your automated email engine. Set it once. This is how emails sell on your behalf 24/7. I'm Coach Adi, helping you build your email engine. Automation is where passive income becomes real. Instead of chasing people one by one, your emails do the work for you. Your automated sequence should include the following. Your email number one, which we always call welcome plus quick win. That is, the message inside the email number one should be welcoming them, appreciating them, and delivering value to them immediately. That's the content of the email number one. Then email number two, that is the story email. This is where you share your journey so far. Then you share the reason for your journey. Then you share your credibility with your audience. That's the content of email number two. Then email number three, that is the practical guide. That is where you're expected to teach something that is useful, benefiting your audience. Then email number four, that's where your soft offer is contained. This is where you introduce a tool that you have used to them. Let them see the tool that you have used in your journey so far. Then email number five, that's where the strong offer is contained. This is where you share transformation. Then, not just the products. You share exactly what has happened to you since you started the journey, how the journey or whatever you are doing has transformed your life, not just the products. This sequence runs forever. Every new subscriber goes through it automatically once it is set up. You only set it up once. In the next video, which I call the final step, you will learn how to drive traffic to your Evergreen machine every week. So, subscribe. Click the link below. Let's build your email engine together. See you in the next video. Thank you.